Pets matter, which is why we're joined every other week by a university veterinary hospital doctor to talk about pet health. And today, Dr. Ben Gregorio is here to talk with us about preventing kennel cough. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
First things first, what is kennel cough?
Yeah, that's a great question. So kennel cough is a respiratory infection of dogs that very commonly causes a cough. Sometimes it can be a harsh kind of hacking cough in dogs, and sometimes it's a mild cough. It kind of depends on the severity of the infection. And it can be caused by various different things, either a bacteria or a virus, sometimes a combination of both. It's commonly caused by a bacteria called Bordetella, which is its nickname, kennel cough or Bordetella. And we often see it in places where dogs are often housed together, so kennels, groomers, sometimes the vet itself, which is why we want to vaccinate against Bordetella every 6 months. And it's a bacteria that can be treated. Usually we give some antibiotics to help with this infection and some anti-cough medication. So we're kind of helping your pets feel well while we're kind of clearing this bacteria.
Okay, good to know. Not something that is as common in cats.
Correct.
Okay,
correct.
Mostly a dog
we do see it in cats sometimes, but mostly we see it in dogs.
Now you talked about vaccination. That's next question was prevention.
Yeah.
How do we prevent this?
Definitely, that's a great question. So luckily we are able to prevent this. We vaccinate for Bordetella or kennel cough every 6 months. So whenever you take your dog in for its semi-annual or annual exam, we'll do a intranasal vaccination. And and so it does a really good job of preventing this disease. And if they do happen to get infected with it, it'll also kind of decrease the clinical signs they show.
Okay, and we're running out of time here, but I'm wondering, like, this is something that dog parents who maybe, they're taking their dog to the groomer a lot.
Definitely.
How can you tell it? It's really just looking out for the cough?
Yeah, so that's a great question. Sometimes it's a very mild disease, and it can go away on its own. But if you notice that your dog is coughing, acting tired, not eating, and you think he has a fever, so kind of, hot to the touch, those are signs that he may have kennel cough or Bordetella. Okay,
well, very good to know. I can't thank you enough for being here this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
We're going to have all this information and more for you on our website after the show, arklatex homepage.com. Stay tuned, everyone. Josh is back with a quick check of the forecast next.